sides, there have been reports on the early US intel assessment, as intel suggests that there were centrifuges that were still intact. And this seems to be a report that seems to be challenging Donald Trump's claim of enriched uranium that was just moved before the strike, and only months-long setback, as the US officials, White House has been disagreeing with the assessment claims of obliteration that seems to be in a big doubt. Let's get in a word from Rishabh again. Rishabh, there are reports there apparently who seems to be questioning when it comes to the military strikes. Did it actually achieve its purpose and goal of destroying the nuclear facilities? If the nuclear facilities did it deploy, did it also destroy the core components of the country's nuclear program?
Well, many reports from US suggest that, contrary to what Donald Trump has been saying, that Iran will never have a nuclear weapon. Again, the US strikes on Afghanistan, or for that matter, Fordo, has just pushed the Iranian nuclear program by months, not even years. This is what the reports in the United States say, and this they have been quoting the intelligence officers that the intelligence services in the United States in their preliminary report suggest that Iranian nuclear facilities have been targeted, but it has only pushed the whole nuclear program by a few months. Donald Trump is calling them out. Donald Trump says that these are fake news. He has called 2 to 3 such outlets as well in one of the posts on his social media platform Truth that has just been released. But the intelligence sources suggest that not much damage has been done, and even before the strikes happened on Sunday, much of the uranium, or for that matter much of the facility, was already vacated. And this is what the Iranian sources on Sunday itself confirmed, that before US strike, they had removed and they have mobilized all the nuclear.
So is it a setback only by months, according to what is being suggested in these reports by the US intelligence assessment that was described, that the assessment, which has not been previously reported, was produced by the Defense Intel Agency as well in Pentagon's intelligence arm, and based on the battle damage assessment that was conducted by the US Central Command in the aftermath of the US strikes. For the moment, Rishabh and Srinjoy, thank you very much for joining in. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.